8 tips to reduce stress for real estate pros. Positivity. It's no secret that real estate can be a volatile business with a very high rate of failure. All you can do is give your all every day as you build your personal brand and sphere of influence. Before you build anything, you have to ensure you have a solid foundation. Use these 8 tips to reduce stress and build that solid foundation. Set time aside for you. Humans are nature social animals. We require socialization and community as part of our basic psychological needs. That's not to say that alone time doesn't possess benefits. You need to take time to recharge your mental batteries. Work this into your weekly plan. I get a personal massage every month to take care of me. Practice breathing exercises. When you're stressed, anxious, or nervous, your brain reverts to lizard brain functions and you get locked into fight or flight mode, which has literal physical implications for you, none of which are good. Stop, breathe, meditate, maybe pray. Just do it. Stretch. Don't be idle for too long at one spot. There's no debate among medical professionals. Regular stretching, and not just before exercise, yields positive benefits for the human body. Not just in keeping you feeling loose and reducing your chance of injury, but it helps with posture and circulation as well. A lack of energy or feeling fatigued is the most detrimental factor affecting real estate motivation. There's a chance your underused muscles are contributing to that cycle. Disconnect from the internet every day. Set aside an hour every day, not just during your sleep time, when you turn off your phone. The benefit of this doesn't really need to be explained. Your phone owns you if you let it. You need to be able to function like you did a decade ago. Enough said about that topic. Talk to yourself to increase confidence and relax at the same time. Do you have a big meeting coming up? Why not take some time to go over what you'd like to say? Actors run lines and rehearse to give the best performance. Athletes practice. Why would you not practice your craft? Do a good deed without telling anyone about it. But here's the catch. Don't tell anyone. It doesn't matter what your good deed is, just do it and keep it to yourself. There is nothing worse than people bragging about good deeds. It completely devalues the deed by talking about it. This is a tough one. Last but not least, be inspired by something or someone. Take time to appreciate the hard work and accomplishments of others. Extend your positivity to the efforts of others and put that energy out into your life. It's important to connect with the stories of others. Learning how to connect with those stories will make you better at talking to people. Be open to people and find inspiration and strength from their journey. Support others and others will support you.